Hey guys, Lyndon here. First of all, I just want to apologise for reposting this video. I posted it yesterday and made a mistake which I wasn't aware of, and I needed to correct it in this video. So I'm sorry about that, but here goes. First of all, I want to update you on the book, the long-awaited release of my book. I planned to do it on the 1st of December, but unfortunately that's not going to happen for the right reasons. But the editing process and the publishing process is just taking that little bit longer than anticipated, but it needs to. So it's going to slip into the new year. So I'm sorry for all of those of you that wanted to buy it for Christmas presents. It was the plan to have it out before Christmas, but unfortunately, with all the best efforts and all the effort that's gone into it, it's just not going to happen. And I wanted to let you know personally. So it's going to be in the new year now. I will keep you posted as soon as I know when. But that brings me on to also the competition, because I was going to do the competition draw on the 1st of December also. But as it happens now, I'm out of the country for the first part of December, so I'm not going to be around to do the draw. So I want to move the live draw to the 23rd of December, just before Christmas. So someone still wins the 732 Factory Rally Adventure bike for Christmas, but it's now going to be 2 days before Christmas, not on the 1st of December as originally planned. However, I will be leaving the date for the closure of ticket sales as the 1st of December. End of the day on the 1st of December, and this is a mistake I made yesterday, so I'm sorry about that. It will be staying on the 1st of December to make it fair for everyone that has already bought their tickets, and that's it. So 1st of December, ticket sales end, which gives you just over a week to get your tickets if you haven't already for this competition. You can check out the link in the description below. Everything's in there to go and get your tickets for this amazing draw. One of a kind. It's going to be epic. I can't wait to give this bike away to a lucky winner. So as we draw a close on this year already, we're just over a month away now from Christmas. Just want to say, be safe everybody. I'm going to be sharing some content with you over the coming weeks from my activities and rides that I'm doing, and I'll be back with the live draw on the 23rd of December. Thank you all for understanding. It's not easy sometimes. There's so much going on for me, and sometimes we make mistakes. So thanks everybody. I'll be back soon. Cheers and stay well.